Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Janine. In today's video, I have 9 meal and snack ideas that are ideal for weight loss after VSG. I have meal prep ideas, I have takeout ideas, so make sure that you are subscribed and don't forget to give this video a like if you would like to see more videos like this. So I'm going to be making some low-calorie French toast, and all you're going to need for this recipe is some, I can't believe it's not butter, some low-calorie bread. Here I found a 40-calorie bread in my supermarket, but you can use whichever one you want. And I also put some eggs, some Swerve confectioner sugar, and that's it. You just make the French toast as usual, just using the low-calorie bread. And I sprinkle a little bit of the Swerve confectioner sugar on top just to give it a touch of sweetness. And you can also top this off with a sugar-free syrup as well. So here I have the Carrie's one, and this is an amazing, delicious breakfast idea. Another high protein, easy breakfast idea is a quiche. So all you need is some eggs. You can customize this. I use spinach and feta, but you can use broccoli and cheddar. You can put peppers and onions. You can just really get creative with the quiche. So all you need to do is whisk up about 6 eggs. I put half a cup of either heavy whipping cream or milk. You can use half and half, whatever you have on hand. I microwave these frozen spinach in the microwave first. If you have frozen broccoli, you can do that, or you can saute peppers and onions on the stovetop first, and then you will just add the whisked eggs to the pan. Another tip that I'm going to give you is I'm using an aluminum pan, so like this, I don't have to do any dishes, and I can just throw away the pan when I'm finished. So like I said, you can definitely customize this to any kind of veggies and cheese that you like. You can get creative so that you don't get bored, but this is one of my favorite ones, the spinach and feta one. So I always love to top mine off with a little bit of shredded cheese. You can also put it in the mix, and these go in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes until your eggs are fluffy and cooked. Now, one of my favorite high protein snacks is Greek yogurt with granola. Now make sure that you are getting Greek yogurt because Greek yogurt has the most protein. Look for one that has a low sugar content, and you can customize the granola to whatever you like. Now if you feel like Greek yogurt is a little bit too bitter, try adding a packet of sweetener to it. Another one of my favorite snacks is reduced fat wheat thins with some Laughing Cow cheese. Now, I love the Laughing Cow cheese because it is very low in calories and it has 2 grams of protein per wedge. So I like to pair it with a serving of the wheat thins, which is 120 calories, and I'll usually have about 1 to 2 wedges of the cheese, and they are only 30 calories each. So this makes for a great afternoon snack. And another thing I love about these are they come in all different kinds of flavors, so you can never get bored. I love iced coffee. Comment down below if you are an iced coffee lover. So I'm going to share how I make my favorite iced coffee, and this is going to be sugar free. So I always grab either a Dunkin' iced coffee or a Starbucks. I make sure that they are unsweetened. I add some ice to my drink. I pour about a cup of coffee. I also use the Jordan skinny syrups. They come in a variety of different flavors. They are all sugar free, and I add my Coffee Mate creamer. There is no sugar in that, and that is how I make my coffee every day. It is so delicious and sugar free. Another high protein breakfast idea are these breakfast burritos. Now these make for an awesome meal prep. You can store these in the freezer and just pop these out as you need. So I'm just baking some bacon in the oven for about 20 minutes on 400. I'm going to scramble up some eggs. I'm going to add some cheese, and then I'm just going to assemble the tortillas. I'm using a low carb, low calorie tortilla. I believe they have about 60 calories each. So like I said, you can make these ahead and store these in the freezer. They will last about a month, so you can just pop them out for breakfast every day. If you are busy on the go, these are perfect for that. If you have kids, these are also another amazing idea that the kids will love as well. Now, if you don't want to use the tortilla, you totally don't have to. You can just make regular old bacon and eggs for breakfast, and that would be fine as well. But this is just a really easy idea, and like I said, it's great for meal prep. So for lunch, I'm going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich, and I have this 40-calorie bread. It is a reduced calorie Italian bread, and I'm just using some Sargento Baby Swiss, which has only 70 calories per slice. So I just have it cooking here on the stovetop, and I'm going to cut up an avocado just to put on the side of this. And here you go, guys, a simple, easy lunch. I have my grilled cheese. I'm getting plenty of protein from the cheese, some healthy fats from the avocado, and just a super easy, simple lunch. So tonight for dinner, I ordered out, and I ordered some chicken franchise, and on the side, I ordered a baked potato with some string beans and also some salad. So when I'm eating out, I always try to order a protein, and I have a healthy carb with the steamed baked potato, vegetables, and salad on the side. Here's another high protein, easy lunch or dinner idea, tomato and feta pasta. Now this is a viral TikTok recipe. So what I did was just added some grilled chicken for a boost of protein. So here I added the chicken cutlets with the grape tomatoes. I added some garlic. I put the cheese in the middle, and I seasoned everything. And then I also added some olive oil here to the pan. So now I'm going to cook this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on 400 degrees. Now this recipe is delicious just as is. If you do not want to add pasta, you do not have to. You can also use thicker chicken breast and cut them into chunks. That would also be delicious to do with this. So for this recipe, I am using the Barilla Protein Plus pasta just to give it an extra boost of protein. The last meal that I have for you is this delicious taco skillet. Now this is so easy to make, and it came out absolutely delicious. All you need is some ground beef. I use the 90% lean one. You're going to need an onion, some peppers, a can of diced tomatoes, some taco seasoning, and some cheese. So all you do is just brown up the ground beef, and you add the onions to the pan as well. Once that is all browned up, you can go ahead and add the diced tomatoes, your peppers, and just cook everything up. Then you're going to add your taco seasoning and just let everything cook so that all the flavors come together nicely. Once that is done, you're going to top this off with cheese, and I promise you, it came out amazing. Another thing that you can do to this is add a packet of either riced cauliflower or riced broccoli and cauliflower mix. That would be really nice. I know some stores have the cilantro lime flavored ones. Just customize it to whatever you like. Look at all those beautiful colors. I just love this. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you can get some ideas, some inspiration and motivation from my videos and my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.